Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can create expiry date formula with multiple color schemes in MS Excel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more learning and amazing tutorials. So we have random sheet with multiple medicine names and expiry date of these medicines. Most of the time we have to figure out that the medicine is expired or not. So it's crucial and very important to find out that medicine is expired or not. Let's make it status. For this purpose, at step 1, we have needed if formula with today function. Then we will go for conditional formatting. So let's start. So this is expiry date and we want to know that which medicine is expired and which is not expired. So if formula for this purpose, if this is logical test, this C2 less than or equal to today date. This is today. Then medicine will be sorry for mistyping. Expired, else it's safe. Bracket close for if and then hit enter. So this is, we have remaining period, sum of period. This is not expired, this is saved. We are going to, so this medicine is expired, this is safe, this is also expired. So in this way we can find out that medicine is expired or not. Moreover, we are going to give a color scheme on this status. Select the whole column, then go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, then text that contains. We are going to give a condition. So if expired, highlighted also, these are expired. Go for custom color. This is red color. In Fill tab, I'm going to give it red color. So the expired medicine is in red color. Okay. These are our conditions. So for save, we are going to give the color green. Again, text that contains, we have save tag, custom format, then fill. Let's make it with this color. So this is saved. Okay. So in this way, you can find out the expiry, the status of expiry medicine, whether it's expired or safe, and you can give conditional formatting with multiple colors. Thanks guys for watching and learning.